Welcome back. In part 2 of our Hawaii tour, we explore the ancient Garden Isle of Kauai and the raw energy of the Big Island. We begin at Waimea Canyon, a geological marvel plunging 3,000 feet into the heart of Kauai. Walking the Kalalau Trail offers bird's-eye views of secluded beaches and some of the most dramatic coastlines on Earth. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. On the Big Island, we enter a living laboratory of new land, where active volcanoes continue to shape the archipelago. We walk the valley floor of Waipio, the Valley of the Kings, surrounded by 2,000-foot cliffs and sacred history. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.